guys, welcome to a new video. As you know, the other day me and Josh put a live stream out about the two new people in Luton there, Jack and Sam.
Right guys, thank you.
Here's Jack coming in the vlog. So today we're going to be opening Sam. What are you opening?
Foot champ rewards, thank you.
So Sam's are pretty good at FIFA.
Alright, let's start this, guys.
Let's go.
So
Gold 3, yeah, gold 3.
Gold 3.
not bad at all.
Player pick. Right.
Better than Dylan Callahan. Joking.
Oh!
PK! No!
Stuani.
Oh, yes. Here we go. Another one. Take that 84, yeah. That's nice. Good start, though.
Good start.
PK.
Come on, boys.
134k.
Now we've got some packs to open, boys.
Yeah,
We're hoping we can get something from the new carnival.
Oh.
Should we open them first? Or open the rare mega pack?
Yeah,
the
the
red
mega packs.
Alright, here we go, mega pack, boys.
No
Oh.
walk out. If it's not a board, I'm actually gonna cry. No, skip.
What is it, that Rondon or someone?
45
Boys,
pack.
boys,
Can't
boys.
beat that.
Marty, oh, that's alright.
I'm good. Quick sell. Oh yeah, because you're looking.
Still loads of stuff in there.
And you saw us team these players
Yeah.
in FIFA.
Alright, here we go, next pack, mega pack again.
Come on, Sam. Get something good.
Come on.
I think I should.
out.
Let me just. I think I should open pack.
Not-
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
I open one? Can I open one, Sam?
Yeah.
No, I'm
Sam.
opening the best pack.
I'll
No.
It's Rashford.
He'll go for it.
I'll open something.
Alright, minute one. I'm just gonna run a wall.
It's 2 duplicates.
Open a mega pack. Jack, you can open a rare mega pack.
What can I open?
You can open the same pack as me,
Press
the rare
that.
player
Alright.
pack. Josh is open the. Alright, go up, flick up, just flick them down with the R stick.
Yeah, wait.
And then press R2,
I know.
and then press.
Alright, here we go, boys. Another
Mega
mega pack. Do another mega pack.
Jack, you can open a rare mega
No,
pack.
come on, I've got to open a red.
We've got to get something good.
This is not. No. Oh, look.
wow,
Let me
not even
open
bored.
that.
Yeah, you open a rare mega pack.
Jack opened the rare mega pack. Sam opened the rare players
Portuguese
pack.
left winger a few years ago, that could have been Ronaldo.
And then I'll open a rare players pack.
Haven't got anything good yet.
Come on, boys.
Send them all down, all the players. Just send them
Louis
down.
now online. What's Louis doing online? He's probably playing Fortnite with like Keen or something.
Okay, let's just carry on with the video.
Go.
What do we do if
Just
we
leave it.
What do we do if we get
Alright,
nothing good?
Jack, rare mega pack.
Sam, what do we do if we get nothing good?
I don't know.
Who cares?
Jack, rare player.
Rare mega pack. Rare mega pack. Here we go. Come on, please.
Come on.
Please be a walkout.
No.
It's
Can I
horrendous.
open a rare player pack?
No.
It's a board though. It's
Yeah, I
a board.
got a border.
Bernardo Silva.
Flick him, put him up.
He's like 8k.
It's alright.
And Pickford. And
And
Pickford.
Pickford.
Yeah.
Flick them both up, flick the rest down. If you need any.
I'll get to open a rare player pack.
No.
Sam, do you want to open it first and then I'll do it?
Okay.
No, what is Josh
Alright, you do it.
So you got to do push up on.
Alright, lads. Wait, what?
Yeah,
What are you doing? I've done it.
what are we
No,
doing?
what are you doing? I've done it.
You know nothing about FIFA.
No, I don't.
Rare players
Kids
pack.
are
They're
weirdo.
50k packs if we don't get anything.
Kids struggling.
Come on.
If we don't get anything good in the 50k pack.
Come on, at least one walkout, please.
Here we go, boys. Come on,
Please.
please.
Oh no! This is not
Camera
going
phone.
well.
Camera felt.
It's horrendous.
Spanish centre back.
Oh no.
Is that Albion?
Yeah.
This is poor. Last pack.
Wait, how much money do you have?
150k.
Should we open some lightning round packs or not? Any promo packs? Oh.
Yeah, dude.
Do it, guys.
Here we go,
Go
boys.
on,
Now let's
Sam.
open some promo packs.
Let's open some promo packs.
No, they're all really bad. They're like 20.
Who cares? I'm probably better than this.
I'm fine.
Send
Idiots. Fabregas, 85.
84.
It's horrendous.
Horrendous.
Should we open some lightning round packs?
Horrendous.
Send him up.
Lightning
Oh,
round.
that's actually awful.
Lightning round. Let's do some.
Reese
No,
is
do
stuck in the back.
check the promo packs quick.
Check the yeah.
Check them. Come on.
45k.
45k. They're good.
Hi guys.
Oh, Sam.
That's Sam. Come on.
You
We'll
ruined
kick-
the
we'll kick
video.
you out, we'll kick
Yeah,
you
we'll
out.
kick you out.
We'll kick you out.
Sam, come on, please.
Come on, Sam.
Don't let us down.
Please,
Let the
let's
team-
do it.
You let the
please.
team down, Sam.
Fine guys, we'll keep.
What would you do if you pat? What do you do if you pat 90? What would you do if you pat 94 Messi though? What if we did?
You got a foot chance,
Oh,
Pete.
I've already got him out.
Come on, Sam.
Come. Don't.
Please, come on, please. Just do the lightning rounds.
At least
No,
one.
don't.
Sam.
No.
Yeah.
One.
I don't want to waste my
At
At
money.
least one.
I don't want to waste my money. Come on.
You sweat this game out enough. Come on.
don't.
Sam.
No.
Come on, one more. If we go
We'll
for one,
kick you out.
if we're opening one or not, otherwise I'm leaving. Otherwise we'll end the video.
Yeah, end the video.
No, don't end it. Don't end it.
All right then.
Come on,
Come on,
let's make
please.
Thank you for watching.
No, Sam.
Thank-
No.
Oh, Josh, just
No.
end it.
Wait.
No, Sam.
Thanks for watching. It's been a great video.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like and subscribe.